Money never make you rich. Only your parents' blessings will make you rich. So try to take care of your parents and do whatever they want in your life. So hello ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sasika Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction. Week commenced from 14th June 2021 to 20th June 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign or moon sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to upcoming week. This whole week, let's talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants this whole week from 14th June to 20th June. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you when you will be a sky high and you will be a top. You will earn very good money. Your family atmosphere will be wonderful. You will get wonderful response from your colleagues, from your life partner, from your business partner. Those native who are businessman or any type of importer exporter, they will blessed with a lot of gains. This whole time will create lot of positivity and positive events in your life because as per moon position Monday and Tuesday you are feeling much relaxed and better. Mentally you are feeling very strong. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be a part of any problem, you will be a part of any arguments at home. Try to give respect to your spouse, try to be humble with your spouse. This whole time, Libra, you need to perform your best. Put your energy, put your efforts because this week never come back when you will be sky high. You will get promoted, you will get your salary will rise and your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Unemployed guys will get job. This whole week will be an ultimate week for you when you will be top and sky high. Now I'm going to talk about Friday and Saturday. You will spend wonderful time with your family and friend, and you may go for some long distance journey. You may plan something related to short distance and long distance journeys on Friday and Saturday with your family and friends. You will be on another height of happiness. You will get some good news through communications. You will get some good news through phone call or communications that will make you happy. Relationship with your spouse or your friends will be ultimate. This whole time, Libra, you need to perform your best. The more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. Must wear American diamond, must wear emerald, and must chant Goddess Kali Chalisa 3 times minimum before you sleep. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants this whole week, 14 Jan to 20th Jan 2021. Good fortune is in your favor Monday and Tuesday. You will be sky high and top. Your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled. You will get lot of good contacts from higher authority. Your social circle will wild and you will get very fantastic results from your friends. Your friends will help you. Your friends will support you or you may support to your friend. You will get a big opportunity from far away place. Scorpio, this whole week, Monday and Tuesday will be a brilliant days for you. If you are IT engineer, if you are any type of technician, you will definitely get some another source of earning or you may get promoted at your work. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Wednesday and Thursday, if you are a businessman, if you are importer exporter, you will blessed with a lot of gain. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy a lot of comfort. You will earn a lot of money. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. Your old debts will be clear. You may buy new car. You may buy new property. Scorpio, this whole time, this whole week from 14th June to 20th June, full of opportunities for you. Friday and Saturday, you may go for some short distance religious activities or journeys, and that will be a very helpful for you. That will be a proof very beneficial in the terms of blessings from divine grace. Friday and Saturday, you will spend wonderful time with your family and friend. Blessings of your father will be a biggest game changer act for you. Blessings of your mother will be a biggest game changer act for you. Always read this mantra: Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. The more you chant this mantra 108 times in a day time, you will definitely blessed with a positive surrounding and you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Must read Lord Shiv Chalisa because moon is in your ninth house Lord, which is linked with Lord Shiv. So you need to chant this mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. You need to read Shiv Chalisa 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, or must read 108 name of Lord Shiva. Listen or read. So this whole week will be a good package for you. If you are investing your money somewhere, you may invest, but you have to wait till 22nd of June. That will be a more precious time. Will start when Mercury will going to direct. So Scorpio, overall, this whole week brings a lot of opportunities. As per my suggestion, you have hold your opportunities, and after 22nd of June, now next week, after the start of next week, Monday and Tuesday, you can say after 22nd June, you can execute your plans, and you will be see a big miracle in your professional life as well as your personal life. I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. Sagittarius Ascendants this whole week, especially 14th June to 20th June, you Monday and Tuesday you will be a part of any problem or litigation. Health of your mother will be matter of concern. Health of your own will be matter of concern. You are not feeling comfortable. You are out from comfort zone. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed to get results. Be calm, be humble. Just chant mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Nama. 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 Must chant this mantra every day morning. It will give you a lot of strength, mental peace. You will feel much relaxed. You will feel much better. Your soul will purify automatically if you chant this mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Nama. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Nama. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Nama. Must chant this mantra 108 times minimum every day morning. Health of your mother, health of your own will be better. Chanting play a big role. Mantra play a big role. Vani play a big role. So chant this mantra like like a good speed with a single word you can use nicely, like Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namah. So chant this mantra. Wednesday and Thursday you will bless with a lot of gains. Wednesday and Thursday you will get some unexpected money from as a commission or as a rental income or as some brokerage. Wednesday and Thursday your seniors will be satisfied from your performance and you are able to get wonderful business from market. Sagittarius, Wednesday and Thursday your health will be fine. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, success, achievements, fame. But overall something is missing in your mind because you are trying to perform your best but results are not as per your expectation. You are getting business from market, there is no doubt, but that business is not as per your caliber, not as per your abilities. So just be calm and chant this mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Nama. Anytime, anywhere you must chant this mantra. Friday and Saturday, again you are out from comfort zone. You are not feeling happy. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your savings and your expenditures will create a lot of problem in your life. You may go for some charity. It's a biggest remedy for you. Friday and Saturday, you are out from comfort zone. You are feeling very low energy. You are feeling very disturbed. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed to get results. Sagittarius, just be calm and chant this mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Nama, and must burn one diya in front of Lord Vishnu temple. So now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendants this whole week, 14 June to 20th June. Monday and Tuesday will be a good days for you when you will earn a lot of money, fame, prosperity. But Saturn is retrograde in your first house. Relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. Divorce is there, separation is there. Your all bad deeds will be open automatically. Saturn retrograde in your first house, Jupiter retrograde. Jupiter is going to retrograde on 20th June in your second house. Mercury is already retrograde. Need to be careful while talking with seniors at your workplace. Need to be careful while talking with your elders at your home. Need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Health of your spouse will be a matter of concern, or relationship with your spouse will be under shadow. I'm telling you again and again, for every Capricorn Ascendant or every Capricorn moon sign, both will be affected from the Shani Sadhasati. In the second phase of the Sadhasati, it's create a lot of mental harassment, a lot of problems, especially related to your personal life. Your spouse, you are not happy from your spouse performance. You are not satisfied from your spouse. You are trying to manage the things, but you have failed because Saturn is checking your karma. Be calm, be humble, be polite, think big. Don't think right now which type of situation you are facing. Think about after 1 year when you both will be in a comfort zone. When you both are in a comfort zone, think like this. So give some positive energy in your relationship. Give some spend some good time with your spouse. But in the terms of finance, you are blessed. You are blessed, some unexpected money will knock you. If you are a businessman, if you are any type of importer, exporter, you will definitely get a lot of gains and success is there. Wednesday and Thursday, you again bounce back. You will get very good business from market. Your seniors will support you. Your colleagues will support you. You will enjoy a lot of comfort, peace of mind, success, achievements, name, fame, prosperity. Some additional source of earning will make you happy. Friday, Saturday, you again feeling very low and disturbed. Mentally, you are not comfortable in this whole week, but you will earn good money. There is no doubt. You perform your best at your workplace. Mentally, you're out from your comfort zone. You need to be careful while talking with everyone at your home, especially elders. Support of elders are there, but you need to be polite with your spouse. Give some respect to your spouse. At any worst position, don't leave hand of your spouse. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendus. Aquarius Ascendus 14 June to 28 June 2021. These 7 days. Your old investment will give you fruitful result on Monday and Tuesday. You will enjoy a lot of gains, guys. Monday and Tuesday, you will be on another height of success. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You are able to achieve a lot of goals. Try to pay your bill and taxes on time. Don't try to be a part of any litigation at your home or workplace. This whole time, you will be a part of any big venture. This whole time, you will be a part of any big, increment or improvement. If you are willing to invest your money in stock market, and then you have to wait of 22nd of June 2021. Once Jupiter will direct, you will definitely blessed with a gain. You may invest your money after 22nd of June, but in this whole week, you may make a lot of plans, but execute your plans after 22nd of June. Don't buy anything new, but your family will support you. Wednesday and Thursday will be excellent days for you. Unemployed guys will get job. If your business is not going to give profit, then Wednesday and Thursday you will blessed with this good profit. If you are an astrologer, yoga teacher, spiritual guru, you will definitely get name, fame, and lot of money. Aquarius, this whole time you will be top and sky high. You just need to perform your best, put your energy at your workplace, think big, think positive. You will definitely achieve lot of goals. Friday and Saturday, you will be a part of any litigation or problem at your workplace. Friday or Saturday, you will be a part of any litigation with your near and dear. Try to avoid all this confusion and problems in your almirah and perform your best at your workplace and in your relationship. Don't be a part of any problem. Must read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before sleep 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. Must donate some money to a needy people on Thursday. Must donate some stationery things like pen, pencil, copies to any government related school in childs. I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendus. This whole week 14 June to 28 June you will be sky high and top. Monday and Tuesday will be ultimate days, rewarding days for you, when you will enjoy a lot of gains. Your mind will be fresh and you will enjoy a lot of comfort. You will get unexpected money from unexpected source. If you are any type of government administrator, if you are any type of government servant, you will be blessed with a lot of appreciation. You may get promoted. The seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You are trying to perform your best and you will get results. If you are any type of IT engineer, automobile engineer, or any type of shopkeeper, manufacturer, or you are doing any type of iron work or real estate work, you will blessed with a lot of gains. You will blessed with a lot of monetary gains. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy a lot of comfort. This whole time, Pisces, you need to perform your best and put your energy. You will definitely sky high. You will shine like a sun. Wednesday and Thursday, again, wonderful days for you, when you will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, success, achievements, fame, prosperity. Your savings will rise. Your family support are there. Your father health will fine. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friend. You will enjoy wonderful profit at your workplace. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, you may apply your PR after 22nd of June. If you are willing to do anything new, you have to wait in this week. But after 22nd of June, you may apply your plans in execution. Pisces, this whole week brings a lot of new opportunities will knock you. You will get very good advice from your old friend. That will be a biggest game changer act for you. So guys, you need to perform your best and put your energy. Definitely you will sky high and top. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. I'm really thankful with your folding hand for your love. I'm praying for long age of your parents. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.